Alright guys, what's up? So today we're actually getting a new mod for the car. I'm like 2 minutes away from the guy's house. I've made a video with him before, super cool, and he is giving me something that I don't want to say what it is yet, but I don't know if I'm going to be putting it on this week or next week, but yeah, so super excited for that. But that's pretty much just today's video. I'll probably combine this video and like the Rev Auto promo video thing that I made, so it'll probably be like 5 minutes long, maybe something like that, but yeah. Alright guys, so we just got to the shop here, and it's I think 3 days since I actually went and picked up the thing we're putting on, and I haven't told you guys that yet, like what I actually got, because I just want to throw it on and show you guys like the process, you know. But we're here and Thomas is gonna help me put them on. So yeah, and I'm like a little bit sick, just like my nose. So if I sound weird, sorry about that. But yeah, so I guess let's roll the cinematic stuff and it'll be cool. Alright, well, as you guys can see, I picked up some lowering springs, as you can see from the cinematic stuff. But we're putting those on right now. We're gonna do the fronts and then the rears. But I'm hoping that it drops like 1.5, 2 inches. But my friend had them on his 350Z, and he just gave them to me for 100. So yeah, we'll see how these work out, and hopefully they look good in the end. So yeah. Alright, so mine was super easy for some reason. So I took that one bolt out, and then we're taking these 3. That is very good, man. Taking these 3, there's one here, there, and there, and then it should drop and we can replace it. Alright, so we got this side done. There was like 2 little problems that weren't bad at all. First one was that I guess we jacked the tie rod, I think, up. Is that what we did?
Sway bar.
The sway bar link? That was okay. So then we had to change the we had to use this little guy and figure that out. But then we have this right here that was supposed to wrap around the back, but then we just undid the clips here and then made sure it all fit in the front. And yeah, but they're in, looking sick. So now we have to do the other side, and then we can drop it and see what it's gonna look like. So yes sir. Alright, so we got this one out. We had to take out the the tie rod end because that was not, it didn't have enough clearance to actually come off. But this is the stock. This is what they actually look like. So you can see the differences. Let's see. Turn that around. So there you go, side by side. So yeah, these will definitely be lower, and these ones are lighter by quite a bit. Alright, so we got Thomas over here working on the other one, and then I figured while we're here, might as well try and clean the headlights up a little bit, so we taped them off. And they just have a weird green hint to them, so trying to get rid of that, do some wet sanding, and then we'll add clear coat, and hopefully it works.